Ma.
Put it away until we're done with D.
Ma.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
You can leave it there. Don't
Yeah.
touch it. Don't touch it. Nobody wants to see your phone anymore, okay? We want to see you do other things besides play with your phone all day. Okay? That's what called being an adult is, growing up. Okay, you're gonna go to back to program and gonna learn how to do things with the computers. See? You can see? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm in the kitchen.
Hello. Hi, Ryan.
Hi,
Oh, you're nice
Ryan.
and close today.
Yes.
Yeah, I got it. Oh, it's all right. Yeah. Hey, Ryan.
Ryan.
Oh, okay. Hold on. Fine, 1 second. Oh.
Good.
All right, Ryan, you see me? You see me?
Me.
You see me? You hear me?
Hear me. Me. Me.
Me. Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right, Ryan, how are you today?
Okay, yeah, he can see you. Good.
Feeling today?
Happy.
Good, good.
Good.
1 second.
Good.
All right, Ryan, we're going to work sentences today, okay?
Yes. Yes.
Perfect. All right, so let me just open. Okay, Ryan, we're going to first do the first sentence, and I want you to tell me which.
Good.
We're going to put the word. This is the sentence.
I am tired. Tired.
Good. I know you're not tired. Hey. All right, so tell me which word I should move first.
Press.
Which one? Which word is first?
I.
Good. 1 second. And then what's the second word in the sentence? Good job. This word?
Tired.
Good job. Good job. Let's read it again.
I am tired.
Good job. All right. Let's read the word.
Stop.
Good.
Ta.
Stop the dog. All right. What word should I put in this first square?
Stop.
And what's the second word I should put here? Good. What's the word I should put here in this square?
dot, 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 dot,
Good. I want you to read it. Read the sentence for me again.
Sap.
Okay. Now,
sap, da, 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 da,
good
da,
job. Okay. Read this sentence for me.
was, da, was, right, right, right.
Good. And where should I put what? In which of these squares? In which one? The first one or the last one?
First one, first one,
Good
first
job.
one,
Where should the word the go?
da,
First
da,
or second?
da, da,
Second or third?
da.
And where should the word weather go? Next to the word?
Western, 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 Western,
Next to which word?
Western, 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 Western,
Yes. Yes, but where should the word weather go? Next to which word?
Western, Western, Western.
Next, which word should the word weather go?
Da, da, da.
Thank you. Good job. And we have the last word, which is?
White, white, white.
And where should the word light go to? Next to which word?
White, 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 white.
Which word?
White, Western, white, white, white.
Light should go next to which word, Ryan?
Western, 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 white.
Okay, I want you to read the word, the sentence to me. Take your time.
Western, Western, white, 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 white.
Good job. Okay, what's the next sentence?
Whoa, 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 wait, so you, whoa, wait, so you.
Good. And what word should I put in this first box?
Wow, 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 wow.
What's the first word in the sentence?
Wow, wow.
What's the first word?
Wow, wow, wow.
Look at the arrow. Look at the arrow.
Wait. Whoa, wait.
No, what is the first word in the sentence? Let's read the sentence again.
Whoa, one, I, whoa, hey, so, you. So,
what's the first word in the sentence?
I.
Good job. I go here. What's the second word in the sentence?
Wow, wow.
Good.
Wow.
Good job.
Wow.
What is the third word in the sentence?
Wow. Wait. Wait. Wait.
Good.
Wait. Wait.
And the fourth word?
Wait.
What's the fourth word?
So.
What is the last word in the sentence?
You.
Good job. All right, let's read the whole sentence, okay?
Wait. So. Wait. So. You.
Take your time, Ryan. I want you to take your time when you're reading, okay? Slow down, okay?
Wait. So. You.
Okay. Ryan, again, slow down when you're reading, okay? Let's take our time. You don't have to rush.
Use that.
Ryan,
here,
let's slow down, okay?
yes,
Thank you. Okay, let's read this sentence.
she can is that you is that
Good job. So what word should I put in the first square?
she
Good,
she
good. What is the second word I
then
should put in the second square?
then
Good, good, good. And what is the third word I should put in the third
yes
square?
yes yes
Good, good job. And what is
that
the fourth word we should put in the fourth square?
that that
Good job. You see, we're taking our time. All right, let's read the sentence again.
she can use she can use that yes that
Good job. All right, let's read this sentence.
then you the the
Good. What is the first word I should put in this first square?
the
Good. Good job. And what is the second word I should
you
put?
you
Good job. And what word goes in the third square?
the
Good job. All right, let's read it again. Take your time.
the you the
Good job. All right, let's read the sentence.
this is from the Maya the this is nation the ma the ma
Good job.
the ma
And what word should I put in the first square?
this
Good.
this
Good job concentrating. Good job taking your time too. What
is
is the second word I should put in the second square?
is
Good. Good job. What is the third word I should put in my third square?
my
Good.
Mia
What is the fourth word I should put in my fourth square?
sent
Good. And what is the fifth word I should put in my fifth square? Good job. You see? Taking our time. I like how you're doing that. All right, let's read this second one. I mean this sentence.
away
Can we read it?
away
And where do we swim? Where do we usually swim?
from me awesome
Do we swim in? Do we go to swimming in the pool and in the beach?
yes
Good job. All right. What word goes in this first square?
swim
What word goes in this second square?
away
Good job.
away
All right, let's read it again.
swim away swim away
Good. All right, can we read this one? Read the sentence for me.
Mary was in the city was in the
Good
city
job. And what's the first word that goes in the first square?
was
What's the first word that goes here?
was
Ryan, let's read the sentence again.
was
Let's read this.
I was in the city. City.
Good. So what is the first word that goes in the first square?
I
Thank you.
I
And what is the second word that goes in the second square?
wish.
Good. And the third word that goes in the third square?
Wish.
What's this word?
In.
Thank you. It goes here. The third square. What word goes in the fourth square?
Da.
Good job. And what's the last word that goes in the fifth square?
City.
Good job. All right. Let's read the sentence.
City. I was in the city.
Good job. All right. Can you read this sentence for me?
I was in the city. Is my son is
Good job. He's not sure. All right. What's the first word that goes in this first square?
is
He's. What is the second word that goes in our second square?
not
Good. And what goes in our third square? Good job. All right, let's repeat the sentence again.
is not
Good. All right, let's read this sentence.
30
Good. And where does the word something go? Does it go here or in the second one? In the
Here.
first or second? First.
Second.
Good job. And where does the word happen go? Does it go in my second square or my third square?
Habit. With friend.
Does it go in my second square or my third square? Good job. All right. Let's do this.
Habit.
Good. Let's read the next one.
Why not?
Why not? All right. So what word do we put in our first square?
Why?
Good. And what is the word that we put in our second square?
Not.
Good job. All right, read it again.
Not.
Good. All right, let's read this one.
Have to read.
I'm hungry. Yes. Where do we put the word I am? In the first or in the second? Good. And we put the word hungry in the second or in the third? Good job. Let's read it again. Good job. All right. Read this next sentence for me, please. Read this sentence for me. Good. You went to the ball. All right. What's the first word we should put in our first box? Good job. And what's the
Red,
second word we should put in our
red,
second box?
red, red,
Good.
red, red,
What is the third word
two,
we should put in the third box?
two, 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 two,
Ryan.
da,
What
da,
is the fourth word we should put in our fourth box?
da, 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 da,
Good job.
da,
And the last word in our last box, which should it be?
bow, bow,
Good
bow,
job.
da,
All right, let's read me the sentence.
sushi, da, da, bow, 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 bow,
Good job. You see how you took your time reading that sentence? That's what you need to be doing. You're doing a good job taking your time. All right, read this one for me.
one, is, is.
Good. He bought one of each. Good job. What's the first word that goes in the first box?
He,
Good. And what's the second word that goes in the second box? Good. Good job, Brian. The third word in the third box.
one,
Good. Good. Good job. What's the fourth word that goes in the fourth box? Good. And what is the fifth word that goes in the fifth box? Good job. All right. Ryan, read me this whole sentence.
He but on a us is
Good. All right. Read me this one.
it be one the ice is be was
It belongs to us. Good job. What's the first word I should put here?
eight.
Good. Good job. And what's the second word I should put here? Good.
Is one
What is the third word I should put here?
two
Good. What is the fourth word I should put here? Good. Read this sentence for me again.
It was there
Good. All right, read this one. This one is simple.
no this
Good. Where should I put the word no?
no
In the first one or second?
no first
First. Thank you. And where should I put the word thanks? In the second or the third? Second. Good job. All right. Read this one for me. Good. What word should I put in the first box? Good. Good job. What's the second word I should put in the second box? And the third word? Good. All right. Read the sentence for me again. Good job, Brian. Okay, read this one.
One, two, you, right.
Good job. And what word should we put in the first one?
With,
Good.
one,
Yeah, you getting better, taking your time.
one,
What's the second word we should
one,
put in the second box?
one,
Good job.
two,
What's the third word we should
two,
put in the third box?
two, two,
Good.
two, two,
The fourth word?
you,
Good.
wait,
And the third
wait,
word?
wait,
Good.
wait,
Good. Very, very good.
one,
All right.
wait,
Let's read this.
wait,
Read this for me.
wait, 1, 2, you, wait.
Good job, Ryan. All right, read this one for me.
wait, 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 wait,
Read the sentence, Ryan.
wait, 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 wait,
Where's read the whole sentence, Ryan.
wait, the baby,
Thank you. What's the first word I should put here?
wait,
Thank you. What's the second word I should put here?
da.
Thank you. And what's the third word I should put here?
Good.
Good. All right, let's read this. Read this for me. Let's start from here. Good. Good. You're all done. Good job with this today, Ryan, okay? You did a really good job.
Yes, it's okay.
Hello.